Two friends started a joint venture by investing rupees 40,000 and 50,000 respectively. They decided that 50% of the profit they will divide equally among them, and the remaining 50% will be divided among them in the ratio of their capital investment. So if first friend gets rupees 20 less than second friend, then what was the profit of first friend? That is the question. So the ratio of their capital is like this: first friend is to second friend equal to 40,000 is to 50,000. That means 4 is to 5. 40,000 is to 50,000. That means 4 is to 5. So let the total profit be rupees 2x. Total profit be rupees 2x. Now what is 50% of 2x? 50% of 2x is 2x into rupees 2x rather. Rupees 2x into 50 by 100. That means rupees x. So each part will be rupees x. Total profit was 2x and 50% of it means rupees x, and another part is also rupees x. So 1 rupees x will be divided among them equally. So each one, that means first friend will get rupees x by 2, second friend will also get rupees x by 2, and another rupees x, another remaining rupees x, it will be divided into the ratio of their capital, which is 4 is to 5. So proportional part of first friend is 4 by 9 and that of the second friend is 5 by 9. So from these rupees x, first friend will get rupees 4x by 9 and second friend will get rupees 5x by 9. So second friend's total profit is 5x by 9 plus x by 2, this much rupees, and first friend's total profit is 4x by 9 plus x by 2. According to the problem, this minus this equal to 800. That means what? 5x by 9 plus x by 2 minus 4x by 9 minus x by 2 equal to 800. X by 2 gets cancelled. So we get x by 9 equal to 800. That means x equal to 800 into 9. So this is 7200. So once we get the value of x, we can easily find the profit of the first friend by putting the value of x into this expression. So first friend's profit was rupees 4 into 7200 by 9 plus 7200 by 2. That means rupees 3200 plus 3600. That means rupees 6800. And this is the answer.
Start.
So this is sum number 15, the last sum of the chapter partnership of government book of class 10. The sum is like this: Pooja, Uttam and Meher, they started a business, partnership business, by investing rupees 5,000, 7,000 and 10,000 respectively. And the running cost of continuing the business, is rupees 125 per month. And also Pooja and Uttam, they will be paid rupees 200 per month for keeping the accounts. Now at the end of the year, total profit was 6960, and the question is how much Pooja, Uttam and Meher will get respectively from this profit. So first, let me find the ratio of their capital. So ratio of the capital of Pooja, Uttam and Meher. Ratio of the capital of Pooja, Uttam and Meher is 5,000 is to 7,000 is to 10,000. So Pooja, Uttam and Meher, 5,000 is to 7,000 is to 10,000. That means 5 is to 7 is to 10. Total profit was rupees 6960, but running cost of the business was rupees 125 per month. So cost of running the business for 1 year is rupees 125 into 12. Rupees 125 into 12, that means rupees 1500. Okay. Now Pooja will get rupees 200 per month for keeping the accounts. So Pooja's salary will be rupees 200 into 12, that means rupees 2400. Uttam's salary is also rupees 200 per month for keeping the accounts. So Uttam's salary will be rupees 200 into 12, that means rupees 2400. So total cost of running the business and salary, total money spent for running the business and for giving the salary is how much? Rupees 1500 plus rupees 2400 plus rupees 2400. That means rupees 2400 plus 2400, 4800, 5800, 6300. Rupees 6,300 will be spent for giving the salary and for running the business. So money left is rupees 6960 minus rupees 6300, that means rupees 660, which will be obviously divided among them in the ratio of their capital, which is 5:7:10. Therefore Pooja's proportional part from the profit will be 5 by 5 plus 7 plus 10, that means 5 by 22. Uttam's proportional part from that rupees 660 will be 7 by 22, and Meher's proportional part from that will be 10 by 22. So from rupees 660, Pooja will get rupees 660 into 5 by 22, that means rupees 150. Uttam will get rupees 30 into 7. This part will not change, so rupees 30 into 7, that means rupees 210. And Meher will get rupees 30 into 10, that means rupees 300. So Pooja will get the sum of these two, rupees 2400 and rupees 150. So totally Pooja will get rupees 2400 plus rupees 150, that means rupees 2550, 2550. Uttam will get the sum of these two, rupees 2400 and rupees 210. Rupees 2400 plus rupees 210, that means rupees 2610, and Meher will get rupees 300 only, because she didn't receive anything from here, so she will get only rupees 300, and these are the answers. So with that, the chapter partnership is complete.